So, you want to teach yourself to code? Today I will show you exactly how to become a self-taught developer and get a job as fast as possible. As an example, we are going to assume that you want to become a front-end web developer, but if not, stay tuned nonetheless, because the same core concepts will apply in any case. Step 0. You need to master one very important skill, without which it would be almost impossible for you to learn anything new. This skill is called the ability to work for long periods of time without distractions. You must train yourself to sit or stand at your desk and stare at the computer screen for long periods of time, with a few breaks in between. And you should not just passively stare at your monitor, but actually actively work and learn new stuff, focused 100% on coding, fully present and conscious, without any stray thoughts or daydreaming. No distractions. For many people it's really hard. They are constantly checking their phone, messengers, social media accounts or YouTube videos and can't get anything done. It's hard to believe, but out of an 8-hour workday, most people can be actively working for just a few hours, as many studies show. So hide your phone, turn off all notifications and just train yourself to work for a few hours straight. Then take a short break and repeat the cycle again. If you can do 4 hours of focused learning every day, you are in a very good shape. This will be your superpower. Step 1. Have a clear and simple goal in mind. Don't make your learning complicated. You shouldn't be taking 5 different courses at the same time or reading 2 technical books simultaneously. Pick only one course. Pick only one book. No course or book collection. Keep it simple and easy. Your goal is not to build next Facebook, but a simple static website. Your goal is not to finish 20 different courses on front-end web development, but just one. Pick one book to read. Head First HTML and CSS is an amazing book to begin your front-end journey. Or pick one good front-end course on Udemy, Udacity, or any other platform like FreeCodeCamp. Check the reviews and rating. The more positive reviews, the better. Then dedicate the next few weeks to attacking this course and completing it. If you don't understand some concepts, try to find the answer by reading blogs, watching a YouTube tutorial, or asking a friend who knows front-end. How long does it take to learn? It should take you somewhere between around 2 or 4 weeks to learn HTML and CSS, and about 6 or 8 weeks to learn JavaScript if you are a beginner. For some people like me it took longer, but others pick up stuff really fast, so don't worry if it takes you longer. It's not a race, it's a marathon. Step 2. Build something. Try building a simple header or a footer or a sidebar. Build a simple button and see how it works. Then start making simple static websites, slowly progressing to more complicated ones. Try to enroll into courses that are project-based and teach you to build something in the process. Your goal is to make a portfolio of at least 3 personal projects like websites, an app or a game, utilizing HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Read some documentation while learning and building websites. Web3 schools or MDN documentation is the best. It would be also a good idea to deploy a simple portfolio website online and host your code at GitHub. This might take you another 2 or 3 weeks to figure everything out, but it adds points to you and the recruiters will definitely appreciate it. Step 3. At this point, after somewhere from 3 to 6 months of learning, you can put up a resume and start hunting for jobs. But before you do that, try to find the list of most popular interview questions for front-end developers and make sure you can answer all of them. Make sure you have the basic knowledge about how the client-server architecture works, how the internet works in general, HTTP, REST API, and some other terrifying terms you will encounter in this list of questions. The more you know, the easier it will be for you to pass a technical interview. Try to get as many interviews as possible and write down all the questions you couldn't answer, so you will be prepared the next time. Don't get discouraged if you get a rejection. Many of the developers I know got the job after a few dozens of rejections and failed interviews. Just keep pushing and honing your skills, and you will eventually find a job. That's it guys for today. It was Dimitri. Let me know in the comments the best resource for beginners to learn. It will be very helpful for anyone new trying to learn programming, and I'll see you in the next video.